Good day everyone, we are Group 49 and our assigned company is AYAMAS Food Corporation Sendirian Berhad. Today, we will present the TOWS metric analysis and strategies recommendations for AYAMAS. The TOWS metric is used to match a company's internal strengths and weaknesses with external opportunities and strengths in order to develop suitable strategies. Based on our analysis, several internal and external factors were identified and used to develop 4 categories of strategies, namely SO, ST, WO, and WT strategies. Next, I will begin with the SO strategies. These strategies focus on using the company's strength to take advantage of external opportunities. The first strategy is to expand halal certified products into international markets. AYAMAS has strong halal and food safety certifications such as Jakim Halal, Hasib, ISO, and FSSC. These certifications help build consumer trust and improve the company's reputations in global halal markets. Therefore, AYAMAS can expand export to regions such as Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa, where the demand for halal food products is increasing. The second strategy is to increase ready-to-eat and frozen food innovation. AYAMAS already has high production capacity and a wide product portfolio, including nuggets, sausages, patties, and ready-to-cook meals. Since consumers are now looking for more convenient food options due to busy lifestyle, AYAMAS can introduce more ready-to-eat and frozen food products to meet changing consumer needs. This also allowed the companies to attract more working adults and younger consumers who prefer fast and convenient meals options. The third strategy is to strengthen digital sales channels through e-commerce. AYAMAS can use its strong brand recognitions and product varieties to expand its presence on e-commerce and food delivery platforms. These strategies can help improve online customers' engagement, increase product accessibility, and support sales growth. As more consumers are using online shopping and food delivery services today, digital platforms also provide AYAMAS with better opportunities to reach wider customer groups. The final strategy is to expand partnerships with supermarkets and hypermarkets. AYAMAS has an integrated supply chain and strong production capabilities, which allow the companies to distribute products efficiently. By strengthening partnership with supermarkets and retail chains, AYAMAS can improve product visibilities, expand market coverage, and reach more customers across different locations.
Next, for the ST strategy, it's aimed to use the internal strength to minimize the external threat. So, it is recommended that AYAMAS improve their halal certification and food safety standards to ensure that customers continue to have confidence in them and minimize concern around food safety issues. AYAMAS is a food brand that is well known in Malaysia, and keeping strict adherence to HACCP, ISO, FSSC, and halal standards is crucial to ensure its reputation and brand image. It's only a company that has a robust quality control system and food safety measures that will be able to retain long-term customers and their loyalty. Second, AYAMAS can strengthen biosecurity practices and monitor the poultry supply chain to reduce the impact of poultry diseases and supply disruption. Good biosecurity practices are important in reducing the occurrence of poultry diseases and maintaining the efficiency of the poultry industry. The company operates its business from an integrated supply chain, which gives AYAMAS better control of processes and product quality, as it is engaged in poultry farming, processes plant, and cold chain distribution. Strengthening disease prevention measures and operational monitoring will ensure stability in production and supply for the company in the event of an outbreak or disruption in the industry. Third, AYAMAS can utilize its strong brand recognition and customer loyalty to compete against increasing competition in the processed food industry. AYAMAS has successfully created a high awareness of consumers over the years as one of the well-known poultry brands that is known in Malaysia. A good brand image could be useful in sustaining the market share and repeat purchases of the company in a market crowded by local and international brands having similar products in the frozen and processed food sector. With consumers becoming more health conscious, AYAMAS can provide better, healthier, and quality food products to them. The company can create products that are lower in fat, lower in sodium, or healthier ingredients without compromising on halal certification and the quality of the product. The existing product portfolio and research and development of the company will likely be more suited to AYAMAS to meet changing consumer preferences and to strengthen its position in the food manufacturing industry.
Next, I will present a WO strategy for AYAMAS Food Corporation Sdn Berhad. WO strategy aims to use external opportunity to address internal weaknesses. For AYAMAS, the main focus here is on product expansions and operational efficiency. First, AYAMAS should expand its halal convenient food categories. Currently, the company relies heavily on poultry-based products such as nugget, sausage, patties, and ready-to-cook meals. Although these products are important to AYAMAS, relying too much on one product category may limit the company's ability to respond to changing market demand. By leveraging the growth of the halal market and the increasing demand for the convenient and frozen food, AYAMAS can introduce more ready-to-eat meals, frozen snacks, and simple meal kits. This strategy can help the company reach broader consumer segments, especially busy families, students, and working adults who prefer quick and convenient meal solutions. At the same time, it can reduce AYAMAS' dependence on traditional poultry-based products. Second, AYAMAS should improve efficiency through food processing and packaging technology. AYAMAS has large and complex operations, including poultry processing, cold chain distributions, and compliance with halal and food safety standards. This operation may increase labor and operational costs. Therefore, adopting automations and improved packaging systems can help the company reduce manual processes, improve productivity, and maintain consistent product quality. Better packaging can also support product freshness and shelf life, which is important for frozen and ready-to-eat products. Overall, these two strategies can help AYAMAS use market and technology opportunity to reduce product dependence, improve efficiency, and support long-term business growth. Moving on, the next two WO strategy focus on market reach and reputation building. The third strategy is to expand e-commerce to reduce dependence on corporate customers. AYAMAS currently relies on major customers such as KFC and Pizza Hut. This provides stable demand, but it may also create business risks if order decrease, agreement change, or customer shift to other suppliers. To overcome this weakness, AYAMAS should strengthen its online sales and delivery channels. Through e-commerce, AYAMAS can reach household customers more directly and make its product more accessible. This strategy can also help the company attract digital service customers who prefer buying food products online. More importantly, it allows AYAMAS to diversify its customer base instead of depending too much on a few major corporate clients. The fourth strategy is to strengthen corporate reputation through halal branding and retail expansion. AYAMAS has faced reputation concerns related to labor management, which may affect public trust and stakeholder confidence. To address this issue, the company should promote its halal certification and food safety image more actively. Since halal assurance and food safety are important to customers, stronger branding can help reinforce AYAMAS' position as a trusted halal food company. At the same time, wider presence in supermarket and hypermarket can improve brand visibility and make AYAMAS product easier for customers to find. This can help rebuild stakeholder trust and improve the company's corporate image. In conclusion, this WO strategy allows AYAMAS to use market opportunity to address its weaknesses. By expanding e-commerce, strengthening halal branding, and improving retail visibility, AYAMAS can reduce business risk, reach more customers, and support sustainable long-term growth.
Now, I will continue to present the part of WT strategy for AYAMAS. These four strategies focus on minimizing the company weakness while reducing the external threat. First of all, AYAMAS should diversify its product portfolio by introducing more healthier and alternative protein-based products, such as plant-based meal, low-fat frozen food, and ready-to-eat healthy products. Currently, the company relies too heavily on poultry as its main raw material. By expanding into healthier and less poultry-based products, AYAMAS can reduce their risk associated with poultry diseases outbreak and respond to changing consumer preference toward healthier lifestyle. Next, AYAMAS should improve operational efficiency and strengthen their cost control. This can be achieved through automation technology, better workforce planning, and supply chain optimization. Since the company operates in a labor-intensive industry, rising labor costs, feed price, packaging costs, and transportation expense during inflation can significantly affect their profitability. Therefore, improving efficiency will help AYAMAS to protect their profit margins and maintain their competitiveness in the industry. In addition, AYAMAS should diversify its customer base and distribution channel. At present, the company depends heavily on major customers such as KFC and Pizza Hut. This creates customer concentration risk because losing a major customer or facing price negotiation can negatively impact their revenue. By expanding into new customer segments, retail market, and online channel, AYAMAS can reduce dependency on a few key clients and improve their business stability. Lastly, AYAMAS should strengthen their employee welfare and food safety management. The company can achieve this by providing fair salaries, better working conditions, proper accommodation, and continued employee training. At the same time, stricter quality control, regular hygiene inspection, and compliance with HALA, HACCP, and ISO standards are essential. These measures help maintain customer trust, protect the company reputation, and prevent food safety issues that could affect sales performance. In conclusion, these WT strategies will help AYAMAS reduce operational and market risk, improve efficiency, strengthen customer competitiveness, and maintain a strong brand reputation for long-term growth. Here are some references that we used to complete our research. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for your listening.